Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for collaboration. Notion is a powerful tool for teams, allowing you to share pages and databases with ease. You can set specific access levels for each team member, ensuring everyone has the right permissions. This enables seamless, real-time collaboration on all your shared content, boosting productivity and teamwork. Sharing in Notion is flexible. You can invite guests by email or share a public link for broader access. When setting permissions, you have 4 options. Full access, can edit, can comment, or can view, giving you precise control over who does what. Remember, the highest level of access granted to a user will always take precedence. You can also adjust these permissions at any time to suit your evolving team needs. Notion excels in real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to work on the same document simultaneously. You can add comments to specific blocks or pages to provide feedback or ask questions. Use the @ symbol to mention team members, drawing their attention to important content or tasks. Notion also keeps a detailed version history, so you can easily track changes and revert to previous versions if needed. To maximize collaboration in Notion, establish clear guidelines for your team's usage to maintain consistency and avoid confusion. Leverage Notion's template feature to create standardized formats for common documents, ensuring consistent workflows across projects. An organized workspace with logical hierarchies also helps team members find information quickly. For more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.